Okay, for the contents, firstly we are going to explain to all of you about the problem statement, and then the second one is the objective of our innovation project. The third one is the description of the idea, and then the description of innovation and how to play the innovation project, and the last one is the reason why our innovation stands out. Okay, for the problem statement, firstly, students finds difficulties to understand the topic and the terms of subjects of fiqh jinayah. And then the second problem statement is students easily get bored when learning this topic. And for the third problem statement is that the students are passive and there is less engagement in class between the teachers and the students.
There are three objectives for our innovation project. The first one is to create a fun and effective learning environment. The second is to have a better engagement with the students. This is because the innovation encourages them to take an active role in their learning. The last one is to improve critical thinking and student retention. This is because when students are actively involved in their learning process, they are more likely to remember and apply the lessons they learn.
Next, we go through the description of the idea. So for the first one, we consider to include some notes and questions to make students more understand about the topic first. And second, we make all the questions in various form so that the student more interest to answer it. So for the third one, we combine visual and physical touch to make it easier for students to access the notes and exercise. So we consider this point in our innovation to make our innovation more fun and suitable to easy to understand the topic. So that's all. Thank you.
For description of innovation, we started with the Al-Jinayat books and then proceed to the slides presentation. And based on what we have learned, we create questions law clip card, which consists of 40 questions that represent of its classification, because we have 4 different colors of card, which is for definition and dalil, requirements, punishment, and also the description for the law of jinayat. And then we create justice for all board game, which is our innovation, and the students will play and provide their own answers, and students can make the revision after class with friends.
So for our innovation, usually people will use the dice to count the total of step forward. But in our innovation, we come up with the idea, we innovate the Korean traditional game called Yut to count the total of step forward. And then the second one, we also innovate the Western board game, 2 hexagon with court and wheel. So why we name our innovation as Justice for All? It is because it is like you are in the court, and then in order for you to get out from the court, you need to answer all the questions. If we look at the Korean traditional game, Youth, if you got 1 purple color and then you need to move 1 step forward. If you got 2 purple color and then you need to move 2 step forward. And then if you got the red color and then there is not count. We also provide law clip card, which is covering 40 questions of topic, all the topic for jinayat. And then 10 question, which is the yellow card, covered about the definition and dalil. Blue card, 10 question, covered about the requirements. Red card, covered all the question about the punishment. And the last one, the green card, covered all the questions about the situations. Okay, now we will proceed on how to play this game. There are 6 steps to play this game. Okay, first of all, the players need to finish the steps in card in order to achieve justice. Okay, the second one, to start this journey, the players need to throw law sticks to know the amount of step forward. If the player got the purple color, he or she need to move 1 step forward. However, if the players got the red color, so there is no value. Okay, the third step is which color hexagon allow the players to spin the wheel to get the questions on law card. The first step, the players will answer the question on the law card based on the colors of the wheel. And then, colorful hexagon disallow the players from getting the questions on the law card. And the last step, the players who collect the most law cards will be the winner.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Noor Ashifa, so I will continue with our innovation stands out because first, captivating design. We are using the jail system in which students need to answer the question first to make them free from the jail. And we also have the hexagon shape that we have created to make it different from the other games. Second is positive reinforcement. There is a positive rapport between the teacher and student and among students in the classroom. Third, can be commercialized. We think our innovation can be commercialized since the material that we use are easy to get and cheap. Fourth, easy and uncomplicated to play. Since these games are similar to the snake games that students are familiar with. And last but not least, our innovation able to apply the competition method in line with the teaching method from the Prophet Muhammad SAW. Competition spirit among learners raises best learning and practicing. The Prophet encouraged his followers in competition. As an example, when he said, if people know what excellent reward in there in Azan and in the first row of prayer, they will conduct voting on them. And if they know what excellent lies in joining the prayer in the first takbir, they will have vie with each other. And if they know what excellence lies in the night and morning prayers, they would have definitely come, even crawling on their knees. So I think that's all from our group. Thank you.